When it comes to home maintenance, planning ahead can be of great benefit. Scheduling a home maintenance inspection allows you to take an active role in maintaining your home. It's essential to look into factors like the age and condition of the house and the time of year when scheduling an inspection. Planning ahead and scheduling a home maintenance inspection for 2023 brings many advantages, including getting an early start on home maintenance and understanding any potential problems before they become costly repairs. But how do you know who to choose when searching for a home inspector? There are certain qualifications that should be taken into account when selecting the right professional for the job. Make sure that they are certified, insured, and knowledgeable about local codes and regulations. Additionally, it is helpful if they have experience in both residential and commercial construction. Seek references from previous clients and confirm that they can provide an explanation of the inspection process with detailed reports of their findings. By utilizing these tips when considering a home maintenance inspection in 2023, you'll be able to identify potential issues in advance, allowing you to make necessary repairs and adjustments without worrying about future costs and complications.